Hey Jammers, today I'll be showing you and telling you that there is a rare item today. It's in the medical center. It's over here. Everything's sale today. And here's the rare item. I don't have enough gems and I already have it too. So right here. There it goes. That's what it looks like. It's black and purple. And I'm gonna go back to my other uniform I mostly wear on my time. Forgot to change the eyes. And thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe. Bye.